What's up? Today we're going to talk about data frames and more precisely how to create new variable. So here I'm downloading the Apple data over a period of 10 days with a time frame of 15 minutes. If you don't know how to download market data using Yahoo Finance, don't forget to look at my previous video. A link is available on the description. So here I have the closing prices, and let's say I want to create a new column here that basically computes the percentage change between each closing prices. So here I will call the data frame. I will open the square brackets and the guillemot, and here I will put the name of my new column. So here, let's say close underscore PCT for percentage equals data, and again open the square brackets and the guillemot. And now I will call the existing column, which is close, and I will call the function percentage change. And here, as you will see, I will have a brand new column. Yeah. Now I have an NaN because you cannot compute the percentage change of the first index as there is no previous data. So what I will do is that I will say that the data frame is equal to the data frame dot drop NA. And this will basically drop every NA value in the whole data frame. So here, if I run this, so now let's say I don't want to create a new column, but I want to erase this column. And instead of having the closing prices in absolutes, I want them in percentage change. What I will do is that instead of creating a new name, I will use the existing name. So I will just do copy and paste. And as you will see, it will just erase the data of the first column and yes, replace them by the percentage changes. Before to stop, I want to warn you about a little trap in which you can fall into really easily. It's about the column names. Here you have capital letters because here I'm creating again a new column and so on, and I'm using the closing prices again. But if I forget to put like the capital letter at first, you have to be really careful about writing the exact same names. If you're interested in Python for finance, algo trading, and so on, don't forget to subscribe because soon we'll talk about algo trading. We'll train AI models that predict the market data and so on.